Paano tanggalin ang end-to-end encrypted chat sa Messenger? Isa ito sa tanong na natanggap ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nila gusto i-turn off ang end-to-end encrypted chats. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano i-turn off ang end-to-end encrypted chats, panoorin mo ang video na una, punta tayo ng Messenger apps. Ayan, once na sa Messenger na tayo, dito sa may upper left side, yung may tatlong linya, pindutin lang to. Then, pindutin itong gear icon or settings. Then, scroll up. Pindutin itong privacy and safety. Then, pindutin itong end-to-end encrypted chats. Then, pindutin lang itong message storage. Then, pindutin lang itong turn off secure storage. Ayan, turn off secure storage. Any new end-to-end encrypted message won't be backed up remotely. Then, pindutin lang itong continue. Then, pwede mo rin i-delete tong secure storage. Pindutin lang tong delete secure storage. You cannot restore this message if you lose or replace this device. Then, pagkatapos, pindutin lang tong continue.